Good morning, children. Welcome to the drawing class. Myself Amarjit Kaur, and today we are going to make wall hanging with bread flowers. Let us start. First of all, we will take bread and cut down all the edges. Two slices I have taken. Cut the sides very properly. Now we have to add Fevicol. Approximately 3 spoons of Fevicol we have to add in 2 slices. Then we have to mash it very properly. It will become a very fine dough. In this way, keep on mashing. Keep on mashing till that time it becomes very soft and smooth. It will take at least 5 minutes. I have get ready the dough and keep in the airtight container. See, this also we have to cover. See, this dough is very smooth and very fine. Now we will take some of the dough, rest we will airtight. Now what we have to do, take a pinch of the dough like this and just roll it like this. Then take another pinch and just set it by this side in this way. Then take another pinch set it in this way. Keep on setting this type of petals. Be careful and place the petal in center of two petals. Look carefully, you have to do it in this way and set it by the side. Then from here you press it. According to your choice, you can make it bigger or smaller. Let it shape from here and then keep it for get it dry. Now we have to make the leaves. Take some of the dough. Take any of the cylindric just roll like this. Cut down the leaves. Press it properly. Then you just see give shape to the leaf. After it get dry, you have to color it with the Fevicryl colors. You may use acrylic color or you may use metallic colors. Okay, these are metallic colors. Color it like this. Alright, and then we have to place on, get a shape, any shape you can take. You may take oval, you may take circle, decorate it nicely, and then place the flowers after coloring. Flowers and leaves. First you color, then you have to paste. Paste it with the fabric glue. It will help you to get it stick earlier and very properly. After doing this, you have to get it, prepare this plate and make a clip for hanging. You may make it on the plate. You can make it on the plate. Just take any rough plate from your home but is not getting used, paint it and utilize for wall hanging in this way. Or you can make some of the other articles also with the bread flowers. Like you can make some jewelry, you can make some badges. In this way, you can utilize bread for making a very creative art. That's all.